I was nominated for Apprentice of the Year in Denver Public Schools.
What does it take to be the Colorado Department of Labor and Employment's Apprentice of the Year? It's a lot more than just showing up.
Showing up on time was not an issue for Byron. The issue was that he kept beating me to the office. He's always here, he's always ready to go. You give him any challenge and he does not back down from it.
West High School junior Byron Coca Montes joined the DPS MyTech team a year ago and quickly learned more than just the nuts and bolts of fixing Chromebooks.
How to speak to your coworkers, how to work in an environment that's, meant for work, and how to balance life with a real job, I guess.
This summer, Byron will also oversee the high school interns on the MyTech team.
I feel like the biggest advantage to the apprenticeship program is not just that you are learning a skill and learning job experience, but that you are learning leadership experience as well.
A lot of people complain leaving high school, or I guess college too, that you don't really get a lot of hands-on training and they're just taking you out to the world blind. So I feel like there's an opportunity to, gain experience.
Byron knows this award will look good on a resume, but more important are the skills he'll take to any job.
When you're going for a job, they're looking for the most outstanding people. So it's a good thing to put on, but you shouldn't just focus on your awards, you should also focus on your job and what experience you've gained.